Welcome to our hands-on review of the VIVO new P28 drone, a foldable powerhouse built for creators who want pro-level aerial photography, obstacle avoidance, and long-range freedom. This is no toy. The P28 spans roughly 420 by 420 millimeters, giving it a substantial presence in the air. With its sleek gray finish, it's designed for serious flight and stylish capture. At the heart of the P28 is a 4K HD camera system paired with 3-axis EIS stabilization. That means smooth, cinematic aerial video and sharp stills. No wobble, no blur, just crisp, sky-high footage. Navigation gets next level. Dual GPS plus optical flow positioning ensure it knows where it is and hovers rock steady. Add in full-sighted obstacle avoidance, and you've got a drone built to keep you safe while you focus on creativity. Remote control? Think big. Up to approximately 12 kilometers of control distance under optimal conditions. That means you can push your shot further than most casual drones let you. Powering the flight is a beefy 11.4V 9800 mAh battery, delivering a claimed flight time of about 50 minutes. Charging? Expect around 8 hours to get full power back. From wide-angle 120-degree lens shots to responsive flight modes, the P28 offers a full suite of features. One-key takeoff and landing, headless mode for easier orientation, waypoint flight or route drawing, foldable arms so you can pack it and bring it along. Safety and stability matter. The 3-axis EIS system, combined with optical flow and obstacle sensors, means fewer worries about crash landings or windy drift. The P28 wants you to fly confidently. So if you're chasing travel vlogs, stunning real estate shots, or just want to level up your aerial game with a drone that delivers serious specs, the VIVO new P28 is a compelling pick. Unfold it, fly it, capture your world from above with the VIVO new P28 drone. Subscribe for more drone tech reviews from Caring Guy.